Jamina from SINOMADA China Limited. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got something super exciting to introduce you. The KOBELCO SK200 Hydraulic Excavator. This bit is not just powerful but also high-tech. Let's take a closer look at it. Why choose SK200? I will show you some numbers. This guy got 154 horsepower engine. That's the Tier 4 emission standard. It means it's gentle, it's tough on the dirt, but gentle on the planet. The Cummins engine and the hydraulic system provided it with excellent performance. The operating of this SK200 is 21,400 kg with 1 cubic meter bucket capacity. Its bone reach is 5.65 meters and the arm reach is 2.94 meters. The walking speed of SK200 can be maxed 5.4 km per hour. I have to mention a big difference is that our SK200 provides remote intelligent management system, which allows us to monitor the status of our equipment 24 hours and know the health conditions of our machine. The high efficiency and low energy consumption and easy to maintenance all prove that SK200 is our best choice. If you want to know more about it, let's contact me.